That's how you know we're in London, baby. 70 degrees and sunny in London? Are you kidding me? That's so weird looking the other way. I keep wanting to look to the right when I'm crossing the second lane. I could really go for some fish and chips though. Sounds so good. I mean, this is nothing I haven't had before, but oh my god. Let's talk into this, as they say. Oh yeah. Okay. I misspoke. I have not had this before. I have not had this before. This is insane. Alright, just finished the fish and chips. That was really, really, really good. Like I said before I tasted it, oh, I've had this before. Nope. Once again, that's one of those things where in America, you just have a cheap imitation. And now I'm walking in the direction of Hyde Park, which is like a really famous park out here in London. It's like the Central Park equivalent. And there's like a memorial to Princess Diana there. It's like quoted as like the origin of free speech. There's just like a public speaking area where people have like open air debates. It is so weird looking the other way on the street. I'm still not used to it. Alright, Hyde Park. Wow, it's green. Big old steeple in the background. What the hell? Look at this. What is this for? It's insane. What the fuck? What? Bro, you do not see anything like this in the US. What the fuck? They would never. Oh, and this is all lit up at night? Whoa. Oh. Whoa, look at this thing. What the what? Look at this. Look at this behind it too. What the what? Dude, Europe is crazy. Alright, this is the Princess Diana Memorial Fountain. It's really cool. It's like just like this giant ring of ever-flowing water. It looks like it bubbles up from over here and spills over both sides. This little boy was just taking a bath in it. Pretty cool. She goes around in a big loop here. And it's all these different types of like how the water flows through. It's really cool. Black swan. That's awesome. buildings are so cool. Very, very rich. This is right from the spot. There's a pine down here. Fuck it, I'm gonna have a pine in the old building. Shit. So I feel about that. Oh, it's exit only. I'm going that way, going this way. Alright, welcome to my hostel in London. Surprisingly, no one's in here right now. It's an 8-person in-suite. Actually, not in-suite, just an 8-person. Restrooms are outside. Kind of a pain in the ass getting set up here. These lockers suck. Like this little lock here that I have, this is my locker. You just open it up because the gauge on the thing's not big enough. This one's fine. But look, this person's too. Same thing. Just open it up. But I just want to show you this awesome view at my hostel. Look at that. Beautiful garden view. Alright, we're out here in a different part of London now. It's like a 15-20 minute train ride. This place looks pretty cool though. This is like, I don't know what the hell this place is called, like Queen's Square or something like that. Ignorant American strikes again. It's really nice though. So Ramsay's restaurant is around here somewhere. I think I'm gonna find a coffee because I'm feeling a little bit tired. Go and juice up a little bit. And yeah. Check out this area, I guess. I'm imagining my course dinner will probably take a while. It's probably gonna be like a 2-hour dinner, I'm guessing. Wow, this is really cool, man. I can already tell I wish I had more time in London. This city is really big and there's a lot to see in here. But then like looking at the distance between some stuff, it's really far here. London's a really big city. I wish I had more time here already, but let's take it all in when we can. So I'm gonna find a coffee shop, then head to Ramsay's restaurant. The great thing about Europe, if you want coffee, boy, you can find coffee anywhere, anytime. If you want espresso, you can get it. Let's find coffee. Dumb, ignorant American coming in again. I ordered another cappuccino and it's just as big as my last one. I don't know if they just give you the big one. Oh, cool. This is a Savoy. Wow, I didn't realize. Okay. Anyways, before I show you that, I don't know if they just always give you the big one if you don't specify, or if cappuccinos are bigger in London, but whatever. I got coffee. It's like 40 minutes before dinner, and then right behind me is the Savoy. Check this out. Wow. This is a 5-star hotel, and then there's an opera house next door to it, and then the restaurant as well. Pretty cool. The Savoy. This place is gonna be bougie as man. They're way bougie. I've been to bougie places, don't get me wrong. I've been to really nice restaurants. I've never been to a Michelin-starred restaurant. I've never been to a fine dining restaurant. I've never been to a course meal before. So it's like 3 firsts all in one. And look at this dude. He's wearing a freaking top hat over there. The doorman's wearing a top hat. So this is gonna be pretty fun. I think I'm gonna smash this coffee. There's a pub next door. I'm gonna have a beer because I know booze in there is gonna be expensive. I don't want to pregame another beer. And yeah, hopefully enjoy my meal. I think I will, but yeah, it's a little bit up in the air. We'll see what happens. Just across the street here. Just on my phone. I don't really want to have my GoPro out right now, but well, there we go. Those pink clouds, the sunset coming in. It's awesome. This area is really cool. Definitely a very bougie area. The opera house I was talking about, I guess there's an opera house and a theater. Well, I don't know. I guess maybe it is just a theater. Maybe, I don't know. I don't know how it works. You can look down here too. Just to make that out way down there. Sorry, dude, it's hard. This thing right there. Head out of the way. There we go. Way down there. It's really cool. I don't know. I've got, like I said, 40 minutes. I want this coffee to cool off so I can chug it, but I also don't want to take it inside because I don't know if that's very kosher, and I don't want to make enemies. I'd rather just be friendly with people. So I'm probably gonna just chug this hot coffee, grab a quick pint, chug that, and sprint over. Because the give you an idea. So this is the pub I'm looking at, and then whoop, right there is Savoy. So right around the corner. We're all good. European bathrooms are so goofy. I got the trough behind me, and this is in like a pretty nice restaurant. Pub. It's a pub. But then look at this mirror. Well, that doesn't show justice. What? It's kind of kooky, dude. I don't know how to... Okay, that's my view. That's what I see. I'm trying to put my hair up because I'm not allowed to wear a cap. I have to like crouch down to see myself in the mirror. What? So goofy, dude. Yeah, you're up, man. You're funny. That was so good. Oh my god.
Lots of flavor in there.
It's like,
yeah, that's good.
and normally, like, I love oysters, but I never chew them.
Yeah,
I suck them down, you know?
Yeah, usually that's one. Is like similar to like having the cocktail, testing cocktail. You need to feel it in the palate and then chew it.
I've never chewed an oyster until then.
Yeah, me as well. So yeah, that's good. Yeah, it's all about enjoying the flavor rather than the gel.
Yeah.
Good.
Wow. Thank you.
Glad you enjoyed.
Thank you. Just look at this lot. It's crazy, dude. I've never been in a 5-star hotel before. It's crazy, dude. Look at all these flowers. Oh, what the big ass paintings. Queen Elizabeth. I'm really tired. I just finished Savoy. And we're walking back to the tube and hopping right back. So I'm tired. I've been up since like 5 a.m. local time, man. And it's almost midnight. These guys are going hard. DJing out here in front of the tube. On a Tuesday night, going hard outside the tube. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please subscribe or any of the other usuals. Thanks again.